A firm must implement traffic mirroring for Nitro-enabled EC2 instances to satisfy compliance requirements. The staff configured VPC Traffic Mirroring to deliver captured packets to an auto-scaling group of processing instances. They placed a network load balancer in front of these instances, but the mirrored traffic is not reaching the targets. What is the correct way to utilize a network load balancer as a destination for VPC traffic mirroring? And the correct answer is D. VPC traffic mirroring must use a load balancer target group and must be targeted by dynamic target groups.
A professional IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Option A. Configure the network load balancer as the traffic mirroring source with a UDP listener. Option B. Configure the network load balancer as the traffic mirroring target using both TCP and UDP listeners. Option C. Configure the network load balancer as the traffic mirroring target using only a TCP listener. Option D. Configure the network load balancer as the traffic mirroring target using a UDP listener.
At its core, this question tests your understanding of how VPC traffic mirroring manages data movement. Specifically, you need to consider the transport mechanism used for capturing and delivering packets, and how that interacts with the network configuration when an intermediary load balancer is introduced into the architecture.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. Configure the network load balancer as the traffic mirroring target using a UDP listener. This is because VPC traffic mirroring functions by encapsulating traffic in VXLAN, which strictly relies on the UDP protocol, specifically using port 4789 to transport the data. When you designate a network load balancer as the destination for this traffic, it must be configured to process UDP packets to successfully forward that encapsulated data to your backend EC2 instances. Option A is incorrect because the load balancer is acting as the receiving target here, not the source.
As for the other choices, option C is incorrect because a standard TCP listener cannot handle the encapsulated UDP mirroring traffic. Option B is also incorrect, as adding a TCP listener is unnecessary and could potentially interfere with the specific flow of the mirroring process. Remember this detail for your exam. Always confirm the protocol requirements for specialized services like traffic mirroring.